Okay, Kima, you found some bags. They got a little bit of gold in them, and it's got your name on it. I think they want to give it to you. And we got $120 from the last episode.
You alright?
Yeah. $1.76 at 2 cents.
Come on, bonus.
I wish we could play nickels, but I just can't do 440 bets.
Come on, bonus, please.
Alright, that didn't work.
Now. Dun, 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 dun.
Hit the little one short. That always happens. I like
Come on,
the
bonus.
green one the best, really, but
Maybe it's right. Come on.
don't give up after $5. $13.
Come on, bonus,
Turn.
please.
Old song by the Birds. Turn.
Dun, 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 dun.
Grew them up a little bit. No birds.
Come on, bonus.
All right.
Orange.
That's $20 gone. What's happening to my life?
Come on, bonus.
This isn't much better. Tens. Where's the tens?
Change it. Here.
Okay.
Come on, bonus.
That's not working.
Dun, dun, dun.
All right. Longevity. Oh, this one doesn't yell at you.
What?
Yes, we need another pop.
Come on, you sugar. Thank you.
Another pop for sure.
Double pop, please.
Only 6 spins with this game, so we need another one. Oh, come on, Kima.
Come on, pop. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, thank
All right.
you. Middle two, please.
Get the red one too, yep.
Come on, middle two.
Well, you got a couple of things. Times 3. That's not much money. We only got one more spin. You got to get another pop.
You sugar.
Well, all right.
Okay.
I think I'll take that. Yes. Times 3. It's not much, but it's something. All right. Now what's going to happen? We only get the red one?
Yeah. Green one.
But we popped it in the bonus. Oh, we didn't get it yet.
No.
Oh, beautiful.
Paper.
Okay, can you push the button for me? Much better. That's $42. That last spin was a beauty.
Yeah.
All right,
3
now.
times.
Yeah, 3 times
Come
a
on.
whole screen of birds. The birds of paradise. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Come
That's
on,
what
please.
we want.
Everything. Yes.
A whole screen of panda bears.
Come on, you sugar.
Oh no, we need something.
Pop. Dun, dun, dun.
Come on.
Come on, please. Yes.
No.
Thank
All right.
you. Fine, kind.
It's not a lot of money, but we'll take it. 2 more spins. Only 5 spins in this bonus.
Come on.
I can't wait. Should I wait? I don't want to wait. It's going to take a long time, I think. But I guess we got time. Nothing but time. Here we go.
Come on, everybody.
Nothing.
Turn. One more, please. One more. Not
And
there.
not much. All right, 50 more bucks. That'll do. Started with 120 here, so we got our money back. That's what we do here at Money Back Slots. We make $11.
There 2 more.
I'd love to get the jackpot.
Okay, sit down.
I'd like to get it at 2 cents better than 1.
Do it
though.
now, please. Turn.
you know, they could pop right now too. Let's go for 2 cents. Just sounds better to me. Oh yeah.
Come on, bonus. Dang, dang, dang.
Don't be cruel.
Come on, bonus. Do it. Middle.
You want to quit or you want to keep going?
I like to quit.
Why? Because they're small?
Yeah, I know.
You know that doesn't mean anything. Thank you. See? See what I mean, Jelly Bean?
Come on, double pop.
Got a couple more spins.
Now. Dang, 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 dang.
Oh, Kima, I thought you had it.
Yes.
Now it's
Ah.
huge. But you got some more birds.
Come on,
I
bonus.
think you're going to get that red
Yes.
one. The jackpot's always the good game.
Now, please. Now.
Oh, boy. Birds.
Come on, chiply pop.
Those are some big hummingbirds on this screen.
Come on.
All right.
Pop.
Oh,
Now, ding, 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 ding. Come on, bonus.
well, we're down $4 now.
Sit down to pop.
First spin magic.
Come on.
Birds. Not alone.
Alright.
All right, we lost $5. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Yes.
All right, Kima.
Yes.
The, I forget what it's called. Glacier Gold. There it is. Glacier Gold killed us. We tried dimes, we tried nickels.
Dimes.
Now she's going dimes first. All right. $2 bet. Anything can happen.
Come on. Come on, bonus.
Well, all right. $7.50. That's a good one too. $17. Well, all right. Now you're on a roll. Beautiful. $3.50.
Ow.
And she's looking for a pow. That's what we all want out of life.
Wait, please. How?
Come on. Oh, don't block us. Either give us 4 or give us those things. Bowls of noodles look pretty good today. It is lunchtime. Feed us. Noodles.
This no comida. Come on, please.
Started with 60?
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna go to 40.
2 more.
Yeah. Well, all right, we got a $15 fireball. That's always a good start. Break that glass, honey. Words.
Come on,
Any word. $200 mini. Come on, baby. Get us a mini or a minor or a major.
how? Please. Minor. How?
Almost $500 minor. We won't even talk about that $2,800 major. Oh. One more. Break the glass. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, don't do that. I saw minor and major go by. Oh, thank the Lord.
How?
One more.
One more. Another word.
Oh, 2,000. 2,000 dimes. That's $200. That's the one we want. Oh, major again. Come on, King. This is your last chance. You gotta get one. Just one.
Please, sir.
Not up there.
One.
Ah, minor was right there at the end. Ah, well. Oh, you got one more. I was wrong. All right, you can do it this time. Come on.
Come on.
again. Anyway, not great. But you got your money back. So that's what we do. Look at them bank buster pigs over there. $52. Well, all right. We're back to 100. That's a good sign. All right, if you wanna. This thing doesn't usually stop with one bonus.
Come on, please. Where is this? Pop.
We hope it's not gonna anyway. All right, Kima, your favorite game. Firecrackers and fun. What do you usually bet? I know it's 240, right? I hate that, but let's try something. All right, she's doing it. She did it, everything. Nickels, 240. We got some lit up, but we don't have the bird. You like 2 cents better? Me too. $1.76. Light up the bird first, then go to nickels. Or just get a big bonus at 2 cents. That's easy. Looks like somebody probably played this a while and finally got the bird bonus, and they left. But there's always more than one bonus. What's the name of this game again? Oh, this is Baozhu Fu. So funny to hear people say that. Oh, Pima. Oh, ho, ho, ho. That would have been a double minor. $40 minor. Wow, just little pops. All right. Now we're gonna get them. I want to win, right? You want to win. Only $1.50 for all them water bottles and boats. Come on, pop them. This is your lucky number, your lucky bet, your lucky game. All right, I knew you'd do it. Extra spins. Come on, say it, buddy.
I present extra spins.
Extra spins. Yes. He presents extra spins. All right, well, with those numbers, we're going to need extra spins.
How?
Really, one minor, major, that'll do it. A major, $783. That would be wonderful. But we'll take 100 coins, $5 worth of nickels. Extra money. What happened? 2 more spins, because extra spins. Alrighty. Lot of quarters there. Oh, what's with the 25s? Now we need a major. Not another dollar. Alright, $100 minor and I'll forgive you. Come on. Fill it up. Last spin. Shoot.
$5, please.
Yes, now I'll get that major. $783. Or a grand. This isn't very much money. But I guess it's better than nothing.
Come on.
You heard her.
What?
Come on, it didn't work. My Korean wife with the Boston accent. Come on. That's kind of pitiful. 10 times you bet. But more ammo. Got your money back again. That's all we do. We get our money back and then we give it back because we're nice people. All right, let's do it. Let's get the double up and the bird. Pop, 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 pop. Double up and the bird. That's your goal right now, honey. You can do it too. Oh, only
Come on,
one.
double out bird.
We don't have much money. We gotta get it soon.
Come on, ช่วยผลิตภาพเลยdouble out bird.
Oh. Okay.
Double out.
Look at the water bottles. $13, I think. Yeah.
Come on, double.
Those are the. Oh no.
Pow, pow, pow.
I want the purple one, but.
ทำตู้พับพับพับ
Yep. Anything can happen. You know this game. Yes. Kima, we called that one. We wanted the purple and the double, and you got them. Ultra with double up. All right. Bird and double. Now we need some words. Get the words, honey.
Come on, bird. You will help me. Bird. Win. Mine not, Mason.
Don't forget about the bottom now. Come on.
เสียบข้าว Win. ข้าว
Oh my God, don't do this to us. Come on, baby. All the voodoo you got.
เสียบwhat? เสียบ
We gotta get one. We didn't get one. There was a word right there. Oh, it's over. All right, we gotta get one on the top. Finally, the bird came by. Double up, ripped you off. It only gave you $10 on the bottom. But maybe this bird will help.
Come on, bird. You can help me. Mine not, Mason. Mine not. Please, mine not.
Not dollars. $1.25. Oh. Come on, big birds. Don't stop.
เสียบข้าว
That's the worst double up I ever saw with the bird. Why did it quit so early on the bottom? I know. What happened to all your good luck you used to have? It's gone. I don't think it's your fault, though. I think it's the casinos are really changing. They're doing bad things to us now. And I don't like it. Really? You don't think you could pop? Anyway, you doubled up. You got $97 now. She don't want to play anymore. I don't blame her. We're going to go to find another game. All right, Kima. What are you going to bet? No, later. I don't know about this game. We just put a lot into it. And it didn't give us anything.
Bonus, please.
All we want is a triple pop. We're not asking for much. A triple pop of nickels. Oh, you shit.
Come on.
You know what's going to happen, right?
Pop for me.
to it. That's the triple. You jerk. We'll settle for a double.
Come on.
Wow.
Come on.
We put a lot in it at nickels, and I didn't give you the bonus, so
Come on,
I'm
bonus.
just seeing if pennies will work. I hate pennies. But if we can get a little bonus, it would be better than nothing.
Jesus
I
Christ.
think we're going home. Did you just say Jesus Christ? That's not like you. You hit the service button. Be careful or they'll come over and bother us. I only want to give you a little bonus.
Come on, bonus. Double.
You jerks. Come on.
Here.
Well, all right. Triple pop.
Feature.
Add pennies. Now let's get the grand and get it over with. They almost ruined our life today. Give us something good. Well, you
Ultra
get
spins. Double up. Extra
6
spin.
balls
and
right
6
away.
more coins.
You all right?
Yes.
You're running out of breath over there. And 6 more coins.
I never met today.
Slow down. Don't touch it.
I know. Just six.
Well, you look like you were gonna. Those are terrible. $1 each. We definitely need words.
Come on. Word. Minor, major.
And we get nothing. All right, at least the bird showed up with $2, $3, $4. That's it.
Come on, sip
Only a
now.
$2
Yes.
bet at pennies.
Sip one.
We definitely need some words, though.
Come on, word, please.
That top is broken. $3. $3. $3. Well, that was some good birds.
More.
Yeah, never stop. Just keep coming.
Top. Sip one. Please, sip one. One.
Oh my. The top is all done. And that's not good. We didn't even get a word yet. Oh no. Drop 20 or 50 or something, bird.
Come on. Sip one. Big one.
That's it. You gotta get one or it's over.
Hamna. Sip one, please.
Ha! Yeah, you
so
got
much.
2. And a bird. No bird.
Come on, sip one.
Bird, where'd you go? Still got a chance for $6,984. And we
Sip
need
one.
it. That'll about make up for what we lost this morning.
Come on.
Not really. We never bring that much. Lima, it's your chance. The chance you've been waiting for. It's kind of small for a grand, but we would love it.
Come on, yes.
6,900.
Pow, 6,000.
There's no balls there. They should at least put them there so it gives you a little glimmer of hope. Nothing.
You sip one.
Huh?
You sip one.
You want me to push? Well, you got a good bird that time.
Big one.
That's $10 worth of bird poop. All right, she wants me to do this because we got 2 spins left. All right, hamana, 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 hamana.
Do it.
Nothing. Oh, you shit. Come on, lot of bird, $5. Do it again. $4. Nice. They're adding up now. You gotta get one though.
Hamana, 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 hamana.
Get
hamana.
one. $6,900. There's none there. Come on, big birds. $5. More. $5. Don't stop. Well, it's a little bit good, but just not great. Only $18 on the top. The bottom looks better. And all the firecrackers are empty now. Well, we put in 40 something, right? Or was it 50?
40.
All right. And we got double. 80. Can you push that button? Thank you. Well, let's go see what the other side looks like. Or should we stay here?